Hello, I'm Mike Castellucci. I'm the Group Engineering Director of the Hadley Group. We, the Hadley Group, are a manufacturing business based here in the UK but with multiple sites around the world. We specialise in the cold roll forming business, and in particular custom roll forming, which is the art of manipulating metal and producing cold rolled sections to a customer's demand. We have sites in the UK, Holland, Dubai and Thailand, and we'll soon have a site in North America. Ultra Steel is a process that we apply to dry lining products. We developed it over a period of time, if you like, interacting with our customer and understanding what the real requirements are of our customer base. Ultra Steel itself is a cold roll forming operation which is applied in line. It doesn't require any specialised tooling to form the product and to actually manipulate the part. What it does is it actually increases the yield strength by cold working the material through male on male forming ultra steel rolls. We started working with Saint-Gobain in 1982, and in 1990 we launched the ultra steel process, which was developed by actually understanding the requirements of British Gypsum. What they wanted to do was be able to produce a highly engineered part which gave them a value added and innovative process and differentiation within the market sector here in the UK. After the success of this, we then developed a licensing arrangement around the world, and also we've employed ultra steel in the manufacturing in our Dubai and Thai facilities to service Saint-Gobain's requirements in those market sectors. With that good dialogue and that good interaction between Saint-Gobain and the Hadley Group and Lundell, we're able to create a good working collaboration, which ultimately means that we believe we have the best products in the marketplace. I would like to now say congratulations after 10 years of successful working with Saint-Gobain, Lundell and the Hadley Group, producing ultra steel to a high quality and performance. I think we know that within our licensing arrangement we work with multiple manufacturers around the world, and I can quite arguably say that Lundell is a dynamic and innovative business run by a family that are dedicated in producing good quality cold roll sections. So I would like to say congratulations to everybody in Finland, Saint-Gobain Finland, and the launch of Ultra Steel in the Nordic areas, and 10 years of successful business, and let's hope there's another good 10-20 years ahead of successful business and working as a collaboration between all our businesses.